So here's how to sign out Amazon Prime from all devices. First, you want to open your browser and then head to Amazon.com and make sure you're logged into your account. Now hover over your account and lists and then select content and devices. Click on it. Now from the top bar here, you want to click on devices and then you want to click on Prime Video if you have Prime already enabled. And then you should be taken to a page looking like this. And from this list, you should find all the devices linked or installed or using this Amazon account. Now you can go manually through this list and then click on deregister to log out the device from this Amazon account or this Amazon Prime. And you can do that for all the devices that you want to deregister or log out. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.